What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Daisy, aka the Brandfluencer, and I thought I'd do a quick little intro like this just because I am so excited. I recently just hit 650 subscribers. I only started this channel a month ago, and to grow this quickly in such a short amount of time is crazy. And I just want to thank you all for the support and the love. I'm so excited to see where this journey takes me, this YouTube journey, my business journey, everything. And I just want to quickly highlight that if there's anything in particular you're hoping to see on this channel, make sure you comment it down below so I can get ideas from you guys and see what you guys are actually interested in seeing from me. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe already, because it means you're here for the juicy content I provide, and I'm here to serve whatever you want in terms of your finances, in terms of business, in terms of entrepreneurship, lifestyle, anything. So make sure you do subscribe, comment, like on all my videos, as it means the world to me. And other than that, let's jump into the video. I didn't even prepare my notes, I'm just too excited. So in today's video, you are here because you have a bit of money to spare, such as £100 maybe, and you're looking to invest that money somewhere. Now, I've created a little list of potential things you can invest your money into, and it will most definitely help you in the future and help you potentially earn millions. So make sure you watch it throughout so you can get an overall idea on what you could do to better yourself and better your future. Now, there are many ways of investing instead of the cliche typical topic of investing in stocks, which, don't worry, I'll kind of cover a bit later on. But for now, the main and most important way of investing any spare money you have is into yourself. You, your mentality, your skill set, everything about you will determine where you go in the future and how far you will go and how much you can earn. So the one main way is to invest in some books which you can read, which can improve your financial literacy. Now, one key book that everyone raves about, this book, and I'll link it down below where you can buy it from. I think I bought it from Amazon, but this is The Rich Dad Poor Dad, and if you haven't heard of this book already, then you are missing out. I actually discovered it through TikTok, and it's a book that everyone raves about, and now reading it I can understand why. And another popular book is Think and Grow Rich, I believe that's what the title is, and this also is an amazing book full of rich information on how to develop your mind, improve your financial literacy, and change your mentality. All information in these books are not taught in school, and they really should be taught, as society doesn't want everyone to know this secret knowledge. So count yourself lucky that I'm sharing it with you guys. But other than that, I'll link all the books down below if you're interested in purchasing, which I strongly recommend. Another way to invest in yourself is through courses. The world is forever changing, and what you learn in school is not really applicable to the real world, if I'm honest with you. I studied hard in school and I got really good grades, but I can't tell you one thing I've probably applied in real life other than the skills of time management and organization. But in terms of the content and knowledge, I don't remember a thing. I've invested in some courses myself, and I can't tell you how much more I've learned in those courses than at school. And this is because with these courses, they are very specific in what you're trying to learn. And after completing many of these courses, you can start your own business and literally earn more than ever before. There are so many skills that are in high demand nowadays, such as video editing, Photoshop, social media management. There are so many. And what I suggest, if you don't really have a skill in mind that you'd like to learn, visit the site Fiverr. I have mentioned it in my side hustles video previously if you want to give it a watch. But Fiverr consists of loads of freelancers that have key skills in certain areas and just offer their services online. And if any business owner or anyone needs that service, they just go on Fiverr and they find someone to do it for them. And me starting my lash business consisted of me doing a course. I had to complete a course in order to learn about the foundations of lashes and how to apply them safely and correctly and do different styles. And if it wasn't for that course, I wouldn't be able to have my business now and work as freely as I do and earn more than ever. A little secret is any courses involving beauty is very high ticket and high end. So if girls, that's something you're interested in, or guys, make sure you check it out. I'll also link down below some sites that have loads of different online courses for different areas, such as graphic design, if that's something you're interested in. Any links I do find that I feel like would be useful, I will link down below anyways. And if you're looking to develop your knowledge further and you have a particular person which is an inspiration to you and you want to learn more from them, invest in them being a mentor if they offer it. Now, Investing in a mentor means you have one-on-one conversations and you learn directly from the person that has done it all and is now successful. They were in the same position as you and probably did trial and error to get where they are today, and it probably took them a long-winded journey to find out what actually works. So you investing in a mentor means you skip all of that journey and you can just learn the route to success directly without doing the trial and error like they did. Now, mentors can be quite pricey if they're very successful, but to be honest, you pay for what you get and you can't complain. You're learning from the man themselves. And on the topic of investing in ourselves, another main thing you should definitely be investing in is your health. Now, I know many people get annoyed by this, but I feel like if you're getting triggered, it means you know you're in denial and you know it's important and you're slacking. So make sure you invest in that gym membership or the special gym equipment you want at home. Your health is the most important thing. It's the foundation of your mindset and productivity and is the main factor in determining your success. If you don't have a balanced and healthy lifestyle, then your body and your mind can't work for you in the way you want it to. So make sure you invest in it and focus on it, as it is the main and most important thing before you do anything else. And now onto the juicy stuff, which is probably the main reason you're here, which is the trading and investing side of things. Now make sure you prioritize the points I made previously, as without investing in yourself and in your health, you cannot be successful when it comes to trading. Now there are different levels of trading, which you may already know. Now the one key way is through Forex, which we hear a lot through Instagram. Now with Forex, it's a high risk form of trading, but it does reap some high rewards. Now, I don't personally invest in Forex. It is something I did explore during lockdown, but I did kind of change my route on what I wanted to start investing in first. But that is definitely something I do want to look into understanding and starting in the future. So there is a course I did actually start using online, which I found very informative, and it's free. So I'm going to link that down below if it's something of interest to you. But the key thing I want you to understand is with Forex, it's not a get rich quick scheme. Investing in Forex requires so much skill and analysis and knowledge that you really need to learn and complete a course of some sort in order to do it successfully. Otherwise, you can lose a lot of money. I didn't learn a lot on it, but from what I did, it is very complicated stuff, and that's kind of why I trailed away from it, because it's not something I want to be focusing on right now in life, but it's definitely a skill I want to develop in the future. Now onto the second way of trading and investing is into stocks, which is obviously another very popular way that people know of, and this is more so medium risk, but you gain more of a medium reward from it as well. Now investing in stocks means you're investing into shares of businesses and can be quite as complex as Forex, but it's more of a longer term investment if you're looking to be safe with it, as the concept of investing stocks means you're investing money into a business and you're hoping that when that business grows, your stock of that business will grow in value, so then you're earning from that appreciation in the stock's value. Now I don't invest in stocks either, as I don't feel like that's an area I'm very interested in, but if you do want a bit more information, I'll see if I can find any resources, so just check it down below if I've added any in the description. But the final and most safest way of investing, which is a way I have recently started investing, is through index funds. Now investing in index funds was recommended by the man himself, Warren Buffett, so you know it's a key way of investing that you should look into. Now investing in index funds is a long-term investment. It's nothing to do with getting extra money now or anytime soon, but they are extremely low risk and is a way of growing any extra money or savings you have instead of storing it in a bank account. Now having a large amount of savings in your bank account isn't doing anyone any good. With time and inflation, the value of that money will not be worth what it is now in the future. For example, 10 years ago, Freddo the chocolate bar only cost us 10p to buy. How much is he now? I don't even know, because last time I checked it was 35p and it's probably 50p by now. And it just goes to show what you could buy back in the days for £1 in a corner shop is not what you can buy now. The same with having money in your savings. You can have 1,000 in your savings, which sounds like a lot now, but in 10 years time that could be only worth £100 of goods. So instead, by investing in an index fund, your money can grow over time. And this is because on average over the past 30 years, I believe, the average return from investing in an index fund such as the S&P 500 is about 8 to 10%. So if you have any money to spare which doesn't consist of your emergency fund, which I've explained in another video which I'm going to link, then invest in an index fund such as the S&P 500, so you know that your money is not depreciating with inflation and instead is actually growing. I'm not going to go into too much detail as this is a whole nother video, but if you really want to know and understand more about investing in index funds, then make sure you comment it down below and like this video, as if I get to 100 likes on this video and I have enough demand in the comments, then I'll make sure to release a video on how I invest in index funds and the S&P 500 and how you can go about doing so as well, as I'll show you step by step how I do it so you can copy exactly that. And now onto the final way you can invest your spare 100 quid is obviously into starting a business. Now there are many business models that don't require too much financial investment, so £100 is more than enough to start a business. Now with my lash business I did require a bit more than £100. All I required was to buy some equipment and some supplies to start up. And another thing to keep in mind when you start a business is that you'll gain that money back very quickly. With lashes, investing £100 was nothing, as after 2 to 3 clients I had made that money back. I wasn't in debt anymore and I'm just making pure profit. Now I actually listed quite a few business ideas that I have seen work out and don't require a lot of financial investment to get started, and that's in my side hustles video, so make sure you go check it out so you can get any ideas on what you could get started. And that's basically it. These are the different ways in which you could invest any spare money you have, as opposed to maybe spending it on Starbucks, because with this small investment it can honestly earn you millions in the future. Developing yourself, your mind, your skills, each of these methods are the ways in which rich people do it. That's how they continue to get rich on a daily. There's no real secret behind it. You determine your success and how you perceive yourself and how far you're willing to push yourself. Now I hope this video has motivated you in getting started in somehow, shape or form. So once again, please make sure you like and subscribe. Let's grow financially and be successful here together. That's it from me. Till next time.